Blender is free software that allows you to create and modify 3D models, as well as include them in animations, films, and games. It was founded in January 2nd, 1994 by Ton Roosendaal. You can start out by downloading Blender from blender.org. One point is called a vertex. Think of it as a corner in a normal shape. Two connected points make an edge, and at least 3 edges connected together make a face. Many faces make a mesh. To model something, you usually start by adding an object that resembles the object you want to model the most. You start out in object mode. That is a mode where you can wander around the scene using middle click to orbit around and using shift plus middle click to move around. You can move an object by pressing G, rotate it by using R, and change its size by pressing S. If you go into edit mode by pressing tab, you can also transform individual vertices this way. If you don't have enough vertices, you can extrude the model by selecting a face and pressing E. A 3D model is a mesh, basically just a shape, and it needs to be shaded to look good. Shading refers to how a model appears to us. That is done using materials, which, like real materials, have some defining properties. Roughness. It's how shiny or rough the material is. Transmission. This is used for glass and makes the material see-through. Metallic. This defines if the material is metallic or not. It can only be one of the two. To be able to get the actual image out of Blender, you're going to need a camera. Move it and orient it to face the masterpiece you created, and now you can render the image. To learn more, you need to watch a Donut tutorial. And subscribe. It's free.